Hey guys, welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you a simple recipe or a simple way that you can make your turmeric butter. Now, a lot of people or a lot of organic skincare sellers have butters, different kinds of butters. They have mango butter, they have turmeric butter, lemon butter, orange butter. They have so many butters these days. So I was thinking of what quick video to do for you guys, just to fill up for the week, and I decided to show you some tips or some tricks on how you can make this turmeric butter that you can use to make your lotions, you can use it to make your creams, you can use it to make so many things. Now you can either use your mango butter. This is my mango butter, or you can use your shea butter. This is my shea butter. Now I'm not using shea butter because I want to be able to use this product on my face, so I'm not going to be using shea butter. But if you don't have any issues with shea butter breaking you out, you can go ahead to use shea butter. It is good as well. But this period my skin has been having a mind of its own, so I'm trying to be careful. So I'm going to be using my mango butter. I'm going to be showing you, I just want to show you how you can infuse your turmeric powder into your butter to make it into a turmeric butter. So here we have our butter, we have our turmeric powder, and we have our double boiling bowl. So I'm just going to I'm not going to be measuring anything because this video is just to show you guys how this works. So I'm just going to put in this much. Now you can as well mix your butters. You can use your mango butter, you can use your shea butter, you can use your cocoa butter, whatever butter you have available, you can use that to make this simple product. I'm just making sure I scrape out everything. So I'm going to have that much, and then I have my beautiful mesh cloth here. I'm just going to add my turmeric powder into my mesh cloth, and we're going to go ahead to infuse our herb. Now our butter. Now you can use any kind of herb to infuse your butter. You can use any kind of herb. Now I'm using this mesh cloth to make the infusion because my turmeric powder is not very fine and I wouldn't want to have particles in the butter, so I'm going to go ahead to use my mesh cloth to make my infusion. Now if you notice, I removed the trick that I did here. This is my mesh cloth, so I went ahead to fold it into two, put the other end into the other end, if that makes sense, just so I would have double mesh, so I don't have too much particles going into my butter. Now I'm just going to use 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, not really one, but that's the spoon I'm using for measurement. So let's say half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, and I'm just going to add that in here. That much, add in here, and then I'm going to tie it. I'm going to tie it and just put it in our butter so I'm going to tie it and just put it in our butter to infuse. Now I'm very aware, I'm sure there are other ways that you can do this. If you have like a tea bag, you can use a tea bag, but I don't have a tea bag available, so I'm just going to do this. So I'm going to put this into my bowl like so and let it melt and infuse into my butter. Now you can go ahead to cover it with a foil and make sure that the infusion goes into the oil very well. Now, like I said earlier, you can mix your butters. You can add 2 different kinds of butters, but I'm just doing this one for the purpose of this video. And we're going to go ahead now to dissolve or do the double boiler for the oil. I'm just going to drop this here. So ignore my stove, ignore my setup. I'm just trying to show you guys my double boiling process. So I made the water come up a bit because I'm trying to speed up the process for the filming of this video, so I don't make it too long and I can go and sleep because it's already really late. So here, this is our butter and our oil, our butter and our turmeric, which I'm going to, as you can see, it's already starting to infuse into the oil. So I'm just going to let that sit and melt all the way and, you know, give us a beautiful looking turmeric butter. As you can see, our oil has melted and our turmeric powder, even with the mesh cloth, we still have a little particle in it, but that's fine. It's okay. It's better than having this lot in the oil. So yeah, I really love how pretty this is. So we're going to pop this into the fridge and then come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is our oil. I just wanted to show you guys how pretty this oil looks like. This, oh, it's not an oil, it's a butter. See how beautiful it looks. So this is basically what people sell to you as turmeric butter. Very beautiful. You can make this at home with whatever butter that you like. So this is our butter right out of the fridge. Oh my god, this is pretty. I love the color. It's so beautiful. And because I used mango butter, it is going to be so nice on the face. So mango butter is very good. It has all the, you know, nutrients. It has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and it is also proven to have antioxidant properties. So it is very good for the face. It is an antioxidant, it is an anti-inflammatory, and it has anti-aging property, which makes it very effective in soothing the skin that has, you know, eczemas, dryness, dermatitis. And it is non-comedogenic, so it will not clog your pores. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your body. It can even benefit acne prone skin, that's oily skin. So yeah, this butter is beautiful. I hope you try this. If you do, please let me know in the comment section. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will be notified when there's a new video, and leave me a comment in the comment section on videos that you want me to do for you and what you think about this video. So I want to do a surprise giveaway. I'm not going to say what I'm going to be giving out, but it's going to be huge. It's going to be something that will benefit you in a very big way. So you want to make sure you're leaving your comments in my comment section, because I'm going to pick those who leave comments in the comment section. Bye bye.